Hey guys, welcome back to another Joe Muller, well actually Joe and Julie, cooking video. Today we are making bacon cheeseburger quesadillas. And we're making those with our brand new Robert Irvine pans. Look at these pans, guys. We bought these on QVC. We love Robert Irvine. We're really big fans. Check these out. And the first thing you see is Robert Irvine's name, and it says made in China. Oh, well, everything's made in China these days, guys. All right, so we're going to get ready. We're going to get prepped up, and we're going to show you exactly how we make it. Okay, guys, so first step, I got some bacon. I'm going to get some bacon in the pans. We're going to cook it up. We're going to make it nice and crispy. These are bacon cheeseburger quesadillas. All right, let's get started. And we're going to take it off the heat here. And then we're going to be able to add our onions and our peppers into the bacon grease. We're building flavors here, guys. That's the whole idea, is to build the flavors from the base. Okay, guys, so we're going to add the peppers and let them cook up. And like I said, we're building the flavor. Okay guys, so this looks about as translucent as I want it. So I'm just going to transfer all of this to a smaller pan. Perfect. And we're going to get the chopped meat going. Alright, so it's chopped meat time. Little black pepper, guys. Okay, guys, chopped meat looks really good. We're going to drain it. There we go. We're going to be all set for assembly. We are finally ready for assembly, and I have my chief assembler, Julie, who makes the most awesome quesadillas. Basically what we do is we start off with a little bit of American cheese. We follow that up with the chopped meat. Then we go in with the roasted peppers and caramelized onions with bacon over the top and a little more cheddar cheese on top to make it really ooey gooey, just the way we like them, guys. The next step in this whole process is to get them all done. Then we're going to get them in the frying pan, and we're going to get a beautiful sear on both sides. Julie is the quesadilla queen. Okay, guys, check that out. Woo! That's what you call perfection. Okay, guys, so Julie is going to show us how she makes her special sauce.
I have a little sriracha in here. I'm going to add some mayonnaise and a little ketchup.
All right, we're going to give him a shot. All right, guys, so it's the moment of truth. There is yours.
Okay. Thank you.
Cheeseburger quesadilla. And we got the dipping sauce. I'm going in. Salute. Wow.
There you go. There's your cheeseburger and a quesadilla.
This is freaking incredible, guys.
Dip again. Sorry. Oh, this definitely tastes like a hamburger, a cheeseburger with all the components. I'm making a mess.
I'm speechless.